Oh, hey, boom. Okay, good. Finally time. Okay, so I wanted to show this, but I wasn't sure how best to do it because this is a mattress bed. So you can see it's a mattress bed, and I got a queen size one because queen size guy. But you can see, happy life. I'm always happy. So you can see this. Oh, weighs a ton, and you can see in here how soft and fluffy this is. It's so hard to tell on a video, but I can tell you it's got great, padding. It's very thick and plush and soft. And my mattress is right now. The problem is it's too hard, and I have one in my RV, and that's the one that's really hard. And I'm just gonna put that in the pillows. I don't really have anything on top of it, so it's so hard to do. And it's a queen size, so it's perfect. So this is gonna totally fit on top of it. It's got the straps to go around the corner, so it's not gonna fall off like some of the other ones. So sliding all around, whatever, no problem. It's not super slick material or anything, so it probably wouldn't slide anyway. But it seems really good and soft, and I'm excited to give this one a shot in the trailer, and I'm gonna put it on there, but probably don't have anything to show because it's just gonna show the pad. But this is the pad, and I like it, and it's soft, and it's good.